Hello everyone, welcome to my Selenium tutorial using Python automation testing. In this video, we will discuss about what is Selenium, what are the advantages of Selenium, and then the testing implementation using Selenium Webdriver. Selenium is an open source tool that is used for automating the tests carried out on web browser. Our web application are tests using any web browser. Since Selenium is open source, there is no licensing cost involved, which is a major advantage over other testing tools. Other reasons behind Selenium's ever-growing popularity are: first, the test scripts can be written in any of many programming languages, for example, Java, Python, and PHP. And for the next, the test can be carried out in any of operating system, for example, Windows, Mac, and Linux. And then for the Selenium test also can be carried out using any browser, for example, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, and Google Chrome, Safari, or Opera. Okay, next is for the implementation. Because in this tutorial I use the Python language, so I try to use PyCharm tools to test automatically website project application. First of all, of this testing, we must already install the Python and Selenium package driver, and we can check our installation using pip list like this. After that, you can run your PyCharm. After make a new project, you must add the Selenium Webdriver in the settings. Before going to testing code, let me show you the website that I want to test in this video. For the first testing code, we try to test the drop-down category. As you can see, there is an import code. It is to make use of the function in a module. You'll need to import the module with an import statement. For example, there is Selenium Webdriver. And for the next code, this is the code for allocate your web browser driver. And for the URL, you can put your website link. After finish this code, just run by pressing the Ctrl Shift F10, and then the web browser will open automatically and the website will run and click automatically as code they already made. I think that's all from me. I hope this video useful for everyone who want to learn Selenium testing, and you can also see or download the code on my GitHub account. And thank you for my lecturer, Mr. Khairy. Thank you for everyone who watching this video. I'm Veronicha from State Politeknik of Malang. Bye.